being escorted by this very handsome young gentleman, Mr. Anders. Good evening, everyone. When Anna asked me to give a toast for my sister Anita, I was excited at the same time worried. It's been too long to remember growing up in Miami. Manang, I remember you are a very bright and a studious student. Always doing your lessons, always reading your school books, and doing your lessons. You also love to read books borrowed from our municipal library up the hill, and you always ask me to return it for you. Boy, am I mad at you. You enrolled at the Philippine National College for Bachelor of Education degree. When you take the test for your teaching credential, you passed it with flying colors. The result was printed in the newspaper and you were at the top 100. Mama was so proud of you and so with the rest of the family. At age 18 years old, you start teaching. You have to travel all the way to Lanao, Mindanao. While there, you started sending allowance to Mama every month. Mama was so happy every time the postman will arrive with the money from you. And also to find out that you are in good health while you are away from us. 3 years in Lanao, then you were transferred to Luzon Central District. You started to teach in Mamonet while I went one time to help you bring your supplies. Then, to Pitumbayon, where Manong Jr. spotted you and started courting you. And the rest is history. You and Manong raised your 3 loving children in San Bartolome. And for 39 years, you were a teacher before you moved to the USA. Here, you love going to the casino. Now you don't want to go home to the Philippines. What talent you have that I always envy was you playing the piano. You never take a piano lesson in your life, but you learn it just by listening Auntie Carmen playing the piano. Boy, was I jealous. And one more thing, her birthday is at the same time our new Pope, Pope Francis. They were born on the same day. Wow. December 17, 1935. Wow. Or 36. So this is 36. Yeah, was she blessed? She is so happy. She wants to write a letter to the Pope, send her a blessing. Okay, Manang, I love you so much. I love your family. I love Anna and the rest of Donnie and Angelo and the kids. I hope we will see you all the time. But heck, I live in Milpitas, which is 6 hours drive. So I can only come once in a while. For this, I give you my love and I toast to your health and happiness. Thank you.